All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So prescribe, prescribe, and proscribe. So prescribe, so advise someone to take a certain kind of medication. So let's say a pill, for example. Perfect, yes. Very good. Yeah, so the doctor will prescribe you a medication. Yeah, this pill has been prescribed to you. Been prescribed to you. How cool is that? Yeah. What remedy do you prescribe him? What can you prescribe me? What can you prescribe me? Yeah. I will pick up my prescription from the chemist. Yeah. How cool is that? Sometimes they prescribed different medicine. So you can be prescribed different medicine depending on what your problem is. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, it depends. But proscribe is to denounce, condemn, or forbid something by law. They prescribed him publicly. They prescribed that last year. They made it against the law. Without a proper prescribe, his reputation is still intact because he didn't break the law. Yeah. Since they prescribed him, his reputation has gone down the drain. Yeah. Yeah. How did they manage to prescribe it? Yeah, it was very popular and a lot of people liked it. But then suddenly it became illegal. Yeah. How do they prescribe it? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use prescribe and proscribe in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.